at the load here. We're out in the middle of nowhere in Gray Bowl, Wyoming. And they require reflective vests, so I just put my reflective coat on. So I probably won't get out of the truck, though. He'll put it on, and then we got to pull off property to strap it. Don't remember if this one has to be charged or not, but anyway, I'll have to look at that when I stop recording. So anyway, you saw us come down the 2-lane there. Weather was a little sketchy this morning. Once we got outside of town there, coming down 212, Route 212, the road was covered in ice there for a little bit until we got into Wyoming, and then roads were great. So did leave out a little bit earlier than I had originally planned because I knew it snowed all day yesterday into last night. I don't know when it quit because I was inside, but anyway, we come down here and that's what I was saying. I waited so that I was a little closer to the sun coming up when I rolled out. So anyway, this is drilling mud we're picking up in bags with plastic over them. So we're taking this one to Virginia Beach and then probably head home. I don't know if we're going to head home. Probably try and find something because it's like 500 miles, just shy of 500 miles. And right now it is costing me about $1 a mile in fuel. So I figure 500 miles, $500. So heading home isn't necessarily a really good option right now. So anyway, gonna get loaded here and I'll show you all this after I get everything taken care of with it.
Used to fall apart, lose myself, then give my heart away. Come and go in shady places. To sit and stare. Now the light runs through my lashes. It's taken 40 years, blood, sweat, and tears. You are the love. I can't show you how to start to find your way. I like the old-fashioned way. Give me that sweet love, those warm eyes.
don't really know how to start into this. I'm here in the office, obviously. This is Jason from the present. The video you just got done watching was from October 22nd, if you didn't catch that at the beginning, or October-ish anyway, right around there. Dude's doing fine, pestering me to go outside. Just gonna get right into it. Bella's gone. I sold her about a month ago. Ohio Truck Sales had it for about a week or so, and then they sold it. I don't know the gentleman that bought it. I put it up for sale. A lot of people wanted to ask a bajillion questions, and I mean, the truck's pretty much lived on Instagram and stuff, so these are guys that have followed me, still want to ask a bunch of questions. I didn't really want to deal with all of that, so I just went ahead and contacted Ohio Truck Sales, and I sold it for basically what I would call my buddy price, which is if one of my buddies would have wanted it, that's what I sold it to him for. So that's the story. The step deck, a friend of mine bought, and he is running it. And I took a company job. I work for a mail contractor. I'm home every day, and I make pretty good money doing it. I wanted to drop this. I still have 2 more videos from about that time frame that I'm going to get put together. This video obviously was one of the last loads that I did with Bella and the step deck, and then I think we did 2 more after that. We did a container, and which was they're pretty neat, and then we picked up, no, I take that back, 3 loads. We did a container, and then I picked up some front end loaders. I don't know if I have any footage of that, but if I do, I'll put it in there. I know I have a couple pictures. If not, I'll put it in the upcoming videos. Part of the reason why I'm going ahead and putting this at the end of this video is because I know you all probably have questions, so drop them in the comments so I can compile them. I plan on keeping up with the YouTube channel. It's just going to be a little bit different. I work for a company now, so I don't know, I could probably put stationary cameras up. I don't think they would mind that, but I like my job for the most part. I drive an aerodynamic truck now, so, and it's an automatic, and everybody talks smack or shit on the automatics. I don't necessarily have anything against them. I don't necessarily like the way they shift. I was driving a Freightliner. I just ran a Volvo yesterday. We'll get into that in another video. But anyway, if you all got any comments or questions, drop them below. Let me hear from you. I know some of you all have been asking if I'm all right. We're all right. And I don't know if you can hear the pitter-patter. Let's go out here in the trailer. But I adopted 2 kittens, and they are little gremlins. There they are. That's Willie, and then in there around the corner is Merle. They are named after Willie Nelson and Merle Haggard. All of their litter mates were named after legends of country music. So there was another one was Hank, and I went looking for him and Merle, because Merle's got an interesting coloring. I'll have to show him in another video. But anyway, just wanted to drop this at the end of this video, and as you can hear the dude walking back and forth, he wants to go outside. So I wanted to put this at the end of this video so you all get a chance to get some comments so that we can go over them. I do have plans as of right now, roughly, to go to the Mid-America Truck Show. Matt's my friend Matt that worked on Bella, him and I are talking about going and taking the motorcycle. So if that's something you all might be interested in seeing. I kind of got behind on the YouTube channel because it's adjustment, and my brain works better concentrating on one thing at a time. So I didn't want to try and do YouTube videos and change jobs at the same time. So I'm trying to get y'all caught up on where I'm at. Jolene and Betty, the Challenger, they're still outside. The motorcycle, which I never named. I was thinking Trigger, but there goes the gremlins running by. I was thinking Trigger, but I don't know. Is that too cliche? But anyway, it's in pieces at my buddy Larry's house. So we got air ride and an electric stand and stuff to put on it. If that's something you all might be interested in seeing, I'll get videos of that and get it put up. It's already mostly torn apart. I was working 6 days a week when I started this job, so I didn't have time really to do anything. Monday was my only day off, and now I'm off Fridays and Saturdays, but going back to 6 days a week, I'm going to be working Fridays. So I'm rambling. Wanted to let you all know I'm sorry Bella's not around. I mean, I'm not really sorry. I can get into that in another video if you all would like to talk more about it, or maybe I'll try and do a live now that I'm not in the truck. Probably won't be here at my house, though. I'll probably have to go to the ex-wife's house, Miss Truckin Life, I guess. Her and I are still friends. She has better internet, so if I was going to do a live, it'd probably be down there in the old office. So anyway, if there's anything you all would like to ask, drop a comment. I'll try and get them compiled and written down, and maybe we'll do a video and or a live to go over that stuff. But glad you all are still watching, and if you're a long-time viewer, if you just watch this because of the Bighorn video, feel free to subscribe. It's going to be a little bit different type of content from now on. Obviously, I don't own Bella anymore. Still got plenty of truck stuff going on. I got some plans for, I got a cat engine, a C model cat. I thought maybe I could get torn down and go over some of that and stuff, but let me know. We'll talk to you later. Keep a shiny side up, safe travels. We'll see you in the next one.